Uh, Next is, as I said, content optimization. Content optimization is really, really important. And what is the importance of content optimization? I give you with a very vague example, but to make you understand, it's really important. Two cars like Wagner or Honda City or Verna. Okay. Wagner comes in a price of 4 to 5 lakh rupees, I believe, and that comes in a price range of 3 to 5 lakh rupees, whereas Verna and Honda City comes into a price range of 8 to 10 lakh. Okay. So if I ask you to sell a car Wagoner for 10 lakh rupees, will you sell it? Will you able to sell it? No. Why? Because Wagoner worth is not 10 lakh rupees. Similarly, your page cannot rank if your content is not optimized, your content is not good, your content is not worthy. Okay, your page will never rank. Whether you change title of it, description of it, make thousands and millions and billions of backlinks, but still your page will not rank. Why? Because it is not worth it. Similarly, uh, you have to look for Wagoner. Like if you want to make Wagoner sell for 10 lakh rupees, you will change the interior, you will change the exterior, you upgrade your engines, you upgrade the put alloy wheels, put great music system, interaction system, make it fully automatic, and couple of stuff so that it come take it into a sedan range also. Okay, similar thing you have to do for your content also when you want to try to rank it on top. Aditya says, can we all we can say is content is the king to rank on your website? Yes, that is what I meant. Okay, content is the king of. Okay, even my heading also says that content is the king of SEO. Without that, nothing can't be worked. So, when we say content means on-page SEO of your website should be great. And in on-page SEO, the above components which we have learned are important, but uh, the main thing is content optimization. The content should be good. Okay, so let's go to talk about all the 8 elements of content. The first component is content uh, quantity. Okay, now what is content quantity? Content quantity in simple words is how many words are there on your page. Okay, why you need so many words on your page? You need so many words on your page because of one simple reason. Because you have to outrank others who have produced a similar content and it is in same amount. Then for Google to decide, it's become a lot of factors plays a role in it. But if your content quantity is a little higher than your competitors, then the chances of ranking on top on top increases. That doesn't mean, okay, guys, don't mean it that if you write 20,000 words, you will rank on top. At the same time, that content should make sense of it. Okay. Like if you look at Paisa Bazaar is ranking, Paisa Bazaar is not ranking ki just unhone in top 10 listed of credit cards they have put it over here. No. But after that, they talked about each of the banks, their benefits, their eligibility criteria, their latest review, everything they have put it over here. That's why it is ranking. They are giving every single detail and some FAQs related to that as well. Okay, so it's not just the uh, answer to you use your user query, but answer to that query in summary kind of it in top, and then other details in the bottom. Okay, so that when you read the content, those who are quick lookers at the for the information, they get that information quickly on top, and they can leave. Those who wants to read it in more in detail can go and read it also. That is what you have to look at it. So that is what is required in the content quantity. Okay, how to judge how much content you require? For that, the simple method is whatever your keyword is. Let's suppose um, our keyword is uh, spectacle frame for men. Okay, I go on Google, search that keyword, I see some ad, and what is men? It should be men. I don't know about Indian men. Okay, so you look at first, Amazon is coming. Second is LimeRoad. Third is Flipkart, and fourth is Frame Direct. So live page. Okay. So like I will put URL of each website over here and do it. Just give me a second. Okay. So the first page, which is ranking, has around 20 400 words approx. The next page, which is ranking, let's see their number of pages, number of words in that pages is around 632. Then Flipkart is ranking. Let's see Flipkart. Sixteen hundred, 1700 approx. The fourth, which is ranking. There is some error with this website, so we can't take it. But if you look at the first website, 2400, second, approximately 700, and then third website, which has 16, 1700. So if you want to win the competition, you have to be a little 20% higher than your competitors, 20, 25%. So the first three links which are ranking 2400, 700, and 1600, if you calculate the average, somewhere around 4000 or 5000, if you divide by 3, 16, 1700. So you have to use 16, 1700 words on your page to win the competition. Okay. But if you want to beat Amazon, you can write about 2500 words. Okay, where these 2500 words are spectacles. I can't find it. Generally, most of the time they have content below it as well. I can't see it. Give me a second. Men's jacket, shoes, watches. Okay, maybe in internal pages it's not there. Not there. Generally, these content are visible. Like if you see on Flipkart, buy iframes or online at Flipkart to keep things in mind while buying spectacles, other contributing factors to buy the right frame. Although nobody ever read it, but yes, still they mention it. Similar kind of thing, maybe there. I don't think they have it. Okay, it's a never-ending page. Never, never, ever make such kind of pages. It's useless. Okay, these days, and it becomes really difficult even to rank such pages as well. Okay, so this is about content quantity. You always check first five top ranking websites which are ranking on top, and once they are ranking on top, you take the average value and keep your word count a little higher than that.
Yeah,
Okay, if
Jatin,
you
I have a doubt.
yeah.
Yeah, the Limeroad site you said never makes such websites. Still, they're
Mm.
ranking on top. Okay, the content
Sorry.
is not. You said the content is not good. Don't make such sites, right? Still,
Yeah,
they're ranking.
I'm when I say not recommended, it's ranking, but slowly and gradually this ranking, according to the new update, this is that your website will stop ranking if it is a never-ending page. So soon on these keywords also you will see that effect.
Okay.
Okay, earlier you might remember it. I'm not sure, but Amazon sites was like this. Okay, it was scrolling, scrolling, scrolling. Even Flipkart site was like that. But after a point, what they did is they introduced page system pagination is because of that only. Okay, but Limeroad will realize it soon once their page ranking starts dropping. Okay,